Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox not launching on your iPhone. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If your Roblox application is not launching open and you are trying to know the fixes, then you've landed in the right place. First, make sure that your device is compatible with the Roblox. Simply open up Settings from the app drawer and from the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on General. Now, tap on Software Update button. Check for available updates for your iPhone and tap on Download and install. Soon after you update to the latest version of your iOS device, you might be able to fix the issue. Another thing to check is to make sure that your device has enough storage space for Roblox. If there is any application that you no longer use, make sure that you delete the application. Press hold the app and tap on Remove App from the options. Tap on Delete App in the pop-up, and once you delete the unnecessary application from your mobile device, you might be able to fix the issue. You can also go ahead and check for any available updates for the Roblox app in the App Store. Go and tap Open App Store from the app drawer and in the search box type in Roblox. Make sure to tap on the Update button and update to the latest version of the application. Once you are done with it, you can relaunch Open Roblox and see if that fixes the issue. Those were some of the fixes you could try out if you're not being able to launch on Roblox application on your iPhone. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.